Junior Toasty. Right there.
Okay.
Rip it.
Okay, rip it apart.
Too hard. Too hard. Too hard. Too hard. Can somebody help me do this thing? Can somebody help me do this for me? I can't open it. I can't open it. It's too hard. We can't. Come on. Let's try this. Yeah. Now that works. Instructions. There. On the box. Here. Like a flying. Ooh. That was hard. Take the rubber. Yay! It's ready. This dress is gonna be really. We're done. Yeah, we're done. Yeah.
No, you're
Yeah.
No, come on, you guys. Yeah, come on. This is the fun part.